everyone, here is Top Chinese. I'm Gloria 老师. So I know it's quite late right now, but I hope that you could see this video on Friday. And let's talk about 中秋节 Mid-Autumn Festival. 中秋节 falls on 8月15日 on 农历 August 15 lunar calendar. So why we celebrate Mid-Autumn Festival? And here is some fairy tales about Mid-Autumn Festival. I hope you will feel it's quite interesting for you. The most popular fairy tales is 后羿射日 and 嫦娥奔月. So for 后羿射日, so it was a story about in the past. So there were 10 太阳 sun. So these suns makes the people feel quite hot. So people are suffering from it every day. They cannot get a good harvest and the house is burning. So there was a hero appeared called 后羿. 后羿 is good at shooting arrows. So he used his arrow to shoot 9 suns down. 9个太阳 fall down. So there was only 1 sun left, and then this sun said, "Oh, I'm so scary, don't kill me. I promise I will serve the human forever." So that is the story about 后羿射日. 后羿 has a beautiful wife called 嫦娥. 嫦娥 is really pretty, and she used to live in the heaven, but somehow she fall down. So she feel quite sad because she's quite beautiful and women's beauty will pass one day. So she was worrying that one day her beauty will pass forever. So she was so sad. 后羿loved his wife a lot. So he decided to find a medicine which will live forever. So he heard that Kunlun mountain has a special medicine. So he climbed 999 mountain, and then he go across 999条河 river. So in the end, 后羿 finally get to home of 西皇母娘娘. So 西皇母娘娘 is a kind of god. So she was so touched. So she decided to give him 2 pills. So she said, if you take 1 pills, it will let you keep your beauty last forever. So if you take 2, so you will go to the heaven. He's really excited, so he returned home and he made an agreement with 嫦娥. They decided to take that pill together at a specific day. So somehow one of 后羿students called 彭蒙 want to get these pills. So when he know that 后羿 was not at home, so he decided to threaten 嫦娥 to give him this pill. So 嫦娥, she took this pill in case 彭蒙get this. So 嫦娥fly to the sky and then leave 后羿. But she is quite sad and she missed 后羿, so she just stayed on the closest planet called 月亮 moon. So when 后羿returned home, he's quite sad. So 后羿looked at the moon. So at that day, it's around August 15, 8月15日. The moon is quite big and it seems that the shadows on it is like 嫦娥, so he's quite excited. He saw that maybe 嫦娥is on there, look at him. So He led his servants to prepare some food that Chang'e want to eat, such as 月饼 and some fruits in autumn, and they set some incense to let Chang'e to fuel them. So yeah, so that's why since then lots of people will celebrate 中秋节 Mid-Autumn Festival. Beginning is like during summer vacation, like in August, people has already started to buy 月饼. Have lots of advertisements of different kinds of 月饼, and some 月饼 they have the egg inside, and some of them have fruit inside, something like that. My parents will like to buy lots of mooncake like 2 weeks before Mid-Autumn Festival, so they will deliver to our relatives. During that day, in China, we will have public holidays. So at that day, we will have 1 day off. We will have a family unit, and then we will celebrate this day together. So after dinner, we will enjoy the moon together, and we will eat 月饼. The other thing is we will also eat some fruits which from autumn, like 柚子, this one, 柚子, and we will eat 栗子, and this one, 龙眼, 柿子, 菱角. So this one is look like the ox horn. So 角 horn, we call it 菱角. And the one that I really like to eat is 芋头. Okay, this is about what we eat. So Mid-Autumn Festival, 中秋节 is quite a good festival for a family union. And according to the fairy tale, we will know that in ancient China, Chinese people wish the god will protect, or there was a hero who could let them to have a good harvest and to let them to survive from natural disaster. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to Chinese with Gloria. And I'm so sorry that this time I don't have time to edit this video in a nice way. And if you want to know more like Chinese traditional festival, please let me know. Leave your comments below. And 中秋节快乐. 中 meet 秋 autumn 节 festival 快乐 happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Okay, see you, 再见，拜拜。